Before now, traditionalists are always concealed, but in the present day, native doctors have made traditional religion so popular in the world today by showcasing their mansions, cars, and money with evidence of their investments. Here are the list of the top 10 richest native doctors in Igboland, their source of wealth, biography, mansions, investments, and businesses. Here we go. Nzube Joseph. Nzube Joseph, popularly known as OKIJA. OKIJA is a promoter of native doctor. He is from OKIJA and is also called the address of Umu Dibia. He claims to be the only solution for native doctors to get clients, and he charged them 50,000 naira before doing their wish, which is the source of his wealth. OKIJA has an estimated net worth of 100 million naira and a mansion worth over 15 million naira. Egbana Agbanyanwu, one of Iftedum. His real name is Chief Dr. Obiora Nwankwozo. He is a traditional native doctor from Iftedum in Anambra State and is well recognized for his magical powers and as a specialist in all kinds of spiritual works. Chief Obiora makes a lot of money from his clients, which he claimed to be his only source of wealth. He owns a mansion worth over 20 million naira, and his net worth is estimated to be around 200 million naira. Ugochukwu Nnajiofo. Ugochukwu Nnajiofo, popularly known as Mampas Man, a traditional native doctor from Orifite in Anambra State. He is well known for successing in curing mad people, business setback, and many more. He charges a lot for his service. Being a native doctor is his major source of income. Mampas Man has a mansion worth over 50 million naira with an estimated net worth of 900 million naira. Ikubo Chinedu Tony.
You see? No comment.
Ikubo Chinedu Tony, popularly known as Ofiafurago, the current native doctor in Chimarin Temple, is an indigene of Oshimili South, local government area of Delta State. Ofiafurago is an Igbo-born herbalist, native doctor, businessman, and a strong traditionalist. He is the chief priest of the Chimarin Temple in Asaba and one of the richest and the most powerful native doctors. He is known to be into pure water production business with the name Nmiri and other hidden business he does not show off on internet. And Ofiafurago is also known for preparing charm for laptop boys and many more. Chimarin Temple, Ofiafurago, have an estimated net worth of 1 billion naira and a mansion worth over 30 million naira. Ibudoba, double transformer, aka 2.2 billion kg. Ibudoba is a traditional native doctor from Oba Kingdom in Anambra State and also a former lead pastor in Odoziako, Onyebuchi Adoration Outreach in Abuja. He made a comment that during his pastoring days, he never experienced progress in life until he became a native doctor, and today he is a billionaire. He is a specialist for business breakthrough, curing mad people, and many more. Ibudoba have a private school in Abuja and a mansion worth over 30 million naira. He has an estimated net worth of 2 billion naira. Alosi Egulugu, 1 na OKIJA. Ikenna Nwenyi, popularly known as Alosi Egulugu, is one of the richest traditional native doctor from OKIJA in Anambra State. Ikenna Nwenyi is a successful businessman into electricals and motor parts business. He owns a mansion worth over 100 million and a net worth of 4 billion naira. It is your boy Neskin Celebrity TV. Hit the like button, subscribe to stay updated and entertained. Back to our journey. Mighty God of Thunder. Chukwuemeka Nweke, popularly known as A, Mighty God of Thunder. He is the one of the strongest and the richest native doctor in Igboland. He became popular in 2019 after proving that he is the mighty God of Thunder or Solution Center. He claims that he stands with tradition and for tradition alone. After 2 years in the practice, he becomes so rich and popular in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. To the amazement of all, he is an indigene of Nteje in Anambra State. Chukwuemeka Nweke, popularly known as God of A, Mighty God of Thunder, has an estimated net worth of 5 billion naira and he has a mansion that worth more than 100 million naira. Nmiri Okalakwu. Emeka Nwankalo, popularly known as Nmiri Okalakwu, the servant of Ezewanyi Sobale, the mother of 7C and wealth, is an indigene of Igbariam Kingdom in Anambra State. Emeka Nwankalo is a Nigerian-born herbalist, native doctor, radio presenter, and Nollywood actor who ventured into Nollywood industry just to teach people real tradition and culture of Igboland. In his movie, he always be a native doctor. Now I announce to you that estimated net worth of Emeka Nwankalo, popularly known as Nmiri Okalakwu, is 7 billion naira and he has a mansion that worth more than 150 million naira. Alụsị ego na Asaba. Ezeobi, popularly known as Alụsị ego na Asaba, is a traditional native doctor from Awka in Anambra State who based in Asaba. He is known for preparing charms for politicians, laptop boys, business breakthrough, and the most popular charms known as Okite charm and many more. Alụsị ego na Asaba receive a lot of money from his clients, people he work for, which is the source of his wealth. He has a mansion worth over 200 million naira. Alụsị ego na Asaba have an estimated net worth of 30 billion naira. Akwa Okuko Tiwara aki n'ọba. Chukwudozie Nwangwu, popularly known as Akwa Okuko Tiwara aki, is a traditional native doctor from Oba Kingdom in Anambra State who lives in 300 million mansion. Chukwudozie Nwangwu is an internationally recognized native doctor, popularly known as Akwa Okuko Tiwara aki. Akwa Okuko Tiwara aki, which is translated as the egg that broke the pan nut. Chukwudozie Nwangwu is a successful juju businessman. He is into real estate within the Nigeria. He has a 2 hotel, 5 luxurious cars, and land and properties, and other hidden business he does not show off on internet. Akwa Okuko Tiwara aki is known for preparing charms for pastors, politicians, laptop boys, into boys, business breakthrough, and the most popular charms known as Okite charm, Ibobo charm, Awele charm, and many more. And he lives in 2 mansions and garage with luxurious cars that worth 300 million naira, he said. So I announce to you that estimate net worth of Chukwudozie Nwangwu, traditional native doctor Akwa Tiwara, is 100 billion naira, and he is the richest native doctor in the world today, and also the first traditional native doctor to build road in Nigeria and the whole Africa. These are the list of the top 10 richest native doctors in Igboland. Please subscribe for more updates like this and click on the bell icon so you will not miss any of my interesting videos like this. It is your boy Next King Celebrity TV. Thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless you.